What's up, guys? So I've had a bunch of people asking me about how to do the OG breaker. And I actually do it probably a little bit different to most people, where I see a lot of people kind of just up and down. And I mean, that's not wrong, but I find it's a little bit easier if you turn your hands as you do it. So without the O, and I suggest you actually practice the motion without the O first, just to get a feel for how your hands want to move. But if you see this in sort of slow motion, it's like, and then you've got this, you're gonna go like this, and then kind of turn your hands like that. And the down hand for me is probably a little bit more important on the turn. So you want to have your hand going like this to turn, and then your up hand, you still want to turn a little bit like that. See, like that. And what this does is when you turn your hand, say this is your fulcrum point, when you turn your hand like that, and I'll show you in slow-mo with the other clip, it pulls the O before you start to pull your hands. So you're actually stretching the O before your hands go up and down. And to me, that's been the most important factor in how to do OG breakers. Anyway, hope that helped, guys.